Hello, my name is Sandra Martinez, and handle with and tell about two famous people. One, name Adam Richard and Sandler. Day and place about birth September 9, 96, 1966, Brooklyn. Citizenship, American, profession, actor, humorist, activist in gyms. Hymns. One. Spends time in work and wife. 2. Say 6 favorite basketball, team, New York Yankees. 3. Relax and eat with friends. 4. New project Friends, Netflix. 2. 9. Eugenio Derbez. Day and pleasure. September 2. 86-1, Mexico. Citizenship, Mexican, profession, actor, comedian, and product. Activities, humans. 1. Spend science with her and wife. 2. Prepare projects for Netflix. 3. Travel and New Zealand.